In this video, we'll learn how to manage patient deletion in RenalGenie. First, let's see how to request for deletion. Before we begin, please note that deletion requests are only allowed for patients with the status of walk-in, discharged, or dead. To request for deletion, open the patient's profile. Next, scroll down to the end of the page. Here, you will see the Request Deletion button. Simply click on the button. A prompt box will appear. Fill in the necessary comments, then proceed to confirm your request. The requests are now submitted. Now that we've seen how to request for deletion, let's see where we can view these requests. When logged in as a system tenant, go to Tenant Management. From the submenu on the left, select Patient Attrition. Here, you can see the list of patient deletion requests, along with their status and any comments provided. After reviewing, you may choose to approve or reject the request. Simply click on the three-dot icon. You will see the options to approve or reject. Approving will permanently delete the patient record from the system. Rejecting will close the request without making any changes to the patient record. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.